Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today, I'm not sure I'm really prepared for what I'm about to do, but I'm going to give it a shot. My idea is that we have a small diamond in the inside and a larger one outside of it, like this. Then we can kind of wait, I hit an edge there, didn't I? Okay. We can kind of make them do this. So this is the smaller diamond. And this is the bigger. Now I'm going to change up the colors. This is just to kind of give me the layout so that it makes sense. So there'll be 4 different colors. Well, before we do that, oh wait, we missed a part here. That wasn't supposed to happen. All right, there we go. So there's half of the whole bracelet. I can now take and copy the whole top part. Control C, Control V. So now we have it copied. Take the flippy thing, flip it off that center line. Now we anchor the layer and we merge it down. So now we have the whole bracelet's kind of covered with this starting thing. So now let's choose red. So if it goes over here, it goes underneath this one. Over here, it's over this. And you can see, like, I'm just making the weave happen by figuring out if it was under one of the other lines, it goes over top of the next. And there's our red string. That was pretty cool. So now, okay, let's just concern ourselves with the top half for now, and then I'll finish off the rest of the bracelet afterwards. Let's make the next color orange. So the 2 that kind of go into the middle here, red and orange. This is going over. This one is under. Goes over this. this one over top of this. Wow. Oh, I thought I'd started in the center. I'm like, that went really fast. I wasn't in the center at all. Let's get this down here. So there's the center of it. There we go. This is over. You go underneath this one. All right. So if we've got these two as the hot colors, let's do two cold colors. We'll do blue and purple. So I'll grab the purple, because we already have the blue. It's already doing stuff, so that's kind of easy. We can just leave it be as long as we put these in right. Where's... Oh, I see. Because I painted that outer border. It got a little weird there, so let's go back to the purple. It's under this, it's over that. And under the next one. So yeah, I didn't have a lot of the details to this bracelet figured out before I started. Primarily, it was all just this hypothetical in my head that said that we would be able to do something like this. And then I thought it'd be fun to see what would happen. I'm not disappointed. I do like how it went. And I think it won't be that difficult to make it as far as like how bracelets go. I don't think this is that terribly difficult. Under this over. And the blue is just sort of naturally got done because we didn't like have to change anything. I'll put the underlying string in. This is also kind of a way for me to double check my work and make sure that it's going as it's supposed to. Yeah. Alright, so basically I've laid out the whole first half. I just have to finish off the second half to finish this bracelet. This gives you an idea of what I do, and yeah, I don't want my videos to be too long. It just seems that nobody wants a super long bracelet video these days. So there we go. Thank you for watching. Thank you to my YouTube members for making this possible. And yeah, if you haven't already, hit that like button. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.